Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a way to make a canopy, and I will also show you how to style your living room to create a cozy sitting corner using the canopy. Now let's get started. To decorate the canopy, I have used tassel. To make the tassels, I'm using these blue colored embroidery thread, a square cut cardboard and a pair of scissors. For making the canopy, I have taken a white colored net fabric on which I am going to hand stitch the tassels. For the next DIY, I am going to make a CD wall art using printed sheets. For making this, I outlined the shape of the CD directly on the sheets and cut it. Then I have used Fevicol to stick the sheets on the CD. Now I have taken this mat to create a back support for the sitting. I am going to fix this mat against the wall using double-sided tape. To create the sitting, I am using this rug which I folded in a triangular shape and covered it using a blue colored block printed bedsheet. Now I am placing the cushions over here. To hang the canopy, I have used two hooks and passed the curtains through a thread to tie the curtains. I have used a needle. You can also use safety pin. Now on the left side of the sitting area, I am placing this beautiful plant. Now I am using these rugs on which I am placing the carrot. Now I am placing some books and a couple of showpieces. Then I am covering this carrot with a blue colored fabric on which I am going to place an artificial plant in this cute owl shaped planter, and this oil diffuser and some more books under this hourglass. Then on the wall near the canopy, I am going to place the CD wall art to add more colors to the setup. This is the final look. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Also please subscribe to my channel if you like my video.